Forgotten username recovery failed on MoneyLion Fix. If you've tried to recover your MoneyLion username and keep hitting roadblocks, don't worry. Most people get this wrong because MoneyLion now relies on your registered email or phone number instead of traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that focusing on usernames alone will rarely work. Here's the step-by-step fix. Step 1. Go to the MoneyLion login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email address or phone number linked to your account. Make sure it's the one you used when signing up. Step 2. If you don't have access to that email or phone, you'll need to verify your identity. Prepare your personal details such as full name, date of birth, social security number, and any recent transactions or account information. MoneyLion uses this information to securely confirm your identity. Step 3. After verification, you may be prompted to reset your password. Follow the instructions sent via email or text and check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Step 4. If you still can't recover your username, contact MoneyLion support directly. Explain that the standard recovery process failed and provide your personal information for verification. Their team will guide you through a secure recovery path. Many users assume losing a username means losing access permanently, but the truth is simple. MoneyLion moved to email and phone-based login for security and convenience. Follow these steps, and you'll regain access quickly. Focus on your registered email or phone, verify your identity when required, and you'll be back managing your accounts and financial benefits without unnecessary hassle.